we are, New Year's Eve, 2006. A little wiggly because there's a dog pulling on me. Cindy said, let's take the dogs to the park. And here we are. There's her dog. And here's my dog.
Now what are you going to do?
Whoops. Interested in the same pole.
No, he's stuck. He went around.
Oh, he's stuck.
Now he's going around again.
Oops.
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
Oops. She's a real good dog walker. Guess who's
good.
going to have to
Now
walk around?
Wait a minute. It went through the other dog, so now it's stuck on the dog.
She's a really good dog watcher. Now I see why she wanted to take the dogs to the park.
No, I wanted to go shopping. Window shopping, remember?
Yeah, but I didn't want to walk all that way.
Now, wait a minute, wait a minute. You just drive. There we go. Okay.
We got it? Oh,
Nope, you gotta get...
she did it.
Okay, let's go this way away from poles.
Here's the creek. Whoops. Got a dog around my legs. Here.
Hey, come here. No. Bad dog. Ouch.
Did you break a nail?
No, I think I broke my spout.
Oh no.
Okay, can we go shopping now?
He did that at the veterinarian's one day.
I didn't realize he was that aggressive.
Neither did I. Oh, you blew it, dog. Now I have to go shopping, a little son of a gun.